All right, guys, good morning, everybody. We had an amazing day in the chat room. I took a really nice reversal on Tesla. Indexes sold off, but they came back up. And now, as I'm doing this recap, Q is up almost 1%. SPY recovered. IWM is not. IWM is probably going to struggle a lot. For me, it was a really, really good day. Really, really good day. Tesla sold off at the open. I had the Tesla on my watch. It was a real. I kind of called it short at below VWAP 825 for opening range breakdown, but I didn't take it because I was really wondering how the market is going to react. Sold off from 800 below 800, and then it really quickly squeezed back. It was really oversold, and 5 minute became a doji, and that was a sign for me to take it reversal. Went up, and this pullback I went 798, added more, sold 800 and 808, and then added more, and I got out of it at 805. So, and then it did a consolidation. I tried to catch a reversal again. I got out, but eventually I went back in there at 804. That was exactly the time that indexes started turning around. 803. Added more at VWAP 810, and we took it all the way up to 854. And I added a couple of times on the path, and yeah, so from pretty much from 804 we went all the way up to 850, and I am still in there. 100 shares is still left that is going to go through 854. So that was a really, really nice move that I got. I'm very happy, very satisfied with that. So as you see, starting from here, very heavy add in the VWAP. On the pullback I add, and another pullback I add, another pullback I add, and now I'm still in there. So I had a really, 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 really solid day on that. So my realized on that is right now $46,000 on it. It's really, really good. That was my day, and that was my only trade that I did. So as you see, Qs are running up. So again, this sell off, and then the reversal happened, and then the same as the SPY, we had a sell off at the open, and then we had this move up. IWM sold off really hard. Now it's trying to catch a bid and come back, and see IWM. These growth stocks are going to have some trouble, finding some sort of bottom. Brian, how was your day?
Our day was good. Traded Yandex. I shorted it at the open and got that nice drop. It was actually, I played it like a bit of it was like a lead balloon trade for me, which is a stock that's gapping up but then drops below the VWAP before the open or at the open. So shorted it when it came back up to the VWAP and then caught the drop on it. And I traded Lucid a few times. Yeah.
So Brian,
just when it popped up there. And then, exactly. And then it just played it for the drop down. Nice. When especially, made a nice move, broke that initial low, and dropped all the way down. So just kept covering it on the way down. And then I played Lucid a few times. And yeah.
How did you trade Lucid?
And to the upside, yeah, when it was putting in a series of higher lows, so got a couple nice reversals on that, nice. On Lucid. Yeah, and traded Tesla with you once.
Perfect. Yeah. So Apple was the earning of yesterday. That they had a really, really nice earning. They beat the estimates of Wall Street by a lot. And they kind of overcome this shortage of chips that they're having. Everyone is having. Robinhood was another interesting earning yesterday. It fell like over 10%, but it actually recovered. So it went below 10, and now it's recovered. So it's trading actually green right now. So that was a really nice recovery. A lot of people also traded Hood. I never really liked trading Robinhood, but it's just the order flow price action is not great. But it turned out to be very, very interesting. So in terms of overall market, it seems that we are in oversold condition, but let's see if they can hold these levels. SPY and QQQ, IWM, there is really no hope on that. It might actually leak even lower to 185. But overall, in the in the higher interest rate environment, the growth is a little bit questionable. So people start trying to move their money on the profitable companies. That's why like Dow is kind of holding. Have a good weekend, everyone, and all the best. So it was a pretty good trading day for me at least, and I'll see you all on Monday morning, guys.
Yeah, have a good weekend, everybody.